Good day, children. Hope you all are doing well at your place. Today, we are going to learn a lesson in moral science of class 3. Don't be lazy. Let us start, children. There are some people who do not think of tomorrow. They never feel sorry for wasting their time. Some people they don't think about tomorrow and they don't feel sorry for wasting time. Why it is said that children we should not waste time? Because time lost is never regained. Okay. Now let us see a story. Here is the story of the grasshopper and the ant. There was a grasshopper named Gracie. The grasshopper's name is Gracie. Okay. He had a hard-working friend, Annie the ant. So the grasshopper's name is Gracie and the ant's name is Annie. Okay. They both were friends. This Annie was very hard-working, whereas the Gracie was a lazy grasshopper. It was summer season. Everything looked bright and beautiful. Lazy Gracie passed time by singing merrily and eating. It was a summer season. What the grasshopper did? He passed his time by singing and eating. Okay. One day, he saw his friend Annie gathering food. He laughed at her and said, "What are you so busy doing? Why do you work so hard? Come here and enjoy the summer and listen to my merry notes." So one day he saw Annie gathering food. He laughed at her and told, why are you so busy doing? What are you so busy doing? Okay. Why do you work so hard? Come and listen to my songs. Annie said, "No, dear Gracie, I do not have time. I have to store food for the winter season." See here in this picture you can see the grasshopper, the lazy grasshopper and the hard-working ant. Annie told that I have to do work. I have to store food for the winter season. Gracie said, "How greedy you are. You are storing food for the next season. You should enjoy this season." The Gracie told that you are so greedy. You are storing food for the next season. You have to enjoy this season with me. Annie said, "Do not sit idle. Think of your future. Sunny days will not last forever." Annie, the hard-working ant, she told that don't waste the time. You have to work hard for the future. Gracie started laughing at Annie and said, "Why should I spoil my present for the future? Let me enjoy and have fun." Gracie laughed and told, "Why should I spoil my present? I will enjoy and let me have fun." After some time, winter came. After the summer season, winter came. Okay, food was getting scarce. Scarce means less. Gracie found it really difficult to get food. He was starving. Gracie, the lazy grasshopper, he didn't store food for the winter season. He was enjoying. Now, he's finding it difficult to get food. Now he's starving. Starving means to suffer or die from hunger. One day he went to Annie's house to ask for some food. And one day Gracie went to Annie's house asking for food. Annie said, "Now why are you asking me for food? When I told you to store food for the winter season, you did not bother. You enjoyed entire summer singing merrily." Merrily means children cheerfully. The grasshopper, he didn't collect the food. He didn't store the food for the winter season. He wasted his time. Now enjoy the winter dancing. Danny is saying that now you enjoy the winter dancing. "I will not give you anything to eat." Annie told that I will not give you anything to eat. Now you enjoy the winter dancing. And she shut her door. Then Gracie realized his mistake of not storing anything for winter. Now the Gracie understood the mistake. Understood? Realized means understood. That he wasted his time and he didn't store food for the winter season. He felt sorry but could not bring back the time he has wasted. But what to do? He cannot bring back the time which he has wasted. That's why it is told that time lost is never regained. Now children, let us see the thought of the day. Time lost cannot be recalled. Okay. Children, please do like and subscribe my channel. I will be uploading the notes soon of this lesson. Thank you.